Some people relax with plants. Some people relax in the kitchen. Your eyes always stop when you see a little circuit board blinking and making noise. You don't always pick it up, but something in you pays attention. What if the next gadget on your desk wasn't something you bought, finished, but a line of lasers and LEDs you brought to life yourself? This DIY sound and light lab kit is a small laser harp you build from scratch. You get a green circuit board, a row of brass laser modules, a tiny speaker, a microcontroller, and a bunch of small parts. That all look a bit confusing at first, but each part has a label on the board, and the steps walk you through it in a simple, steady order. A lot of people who pick up this kit say, "I've always wanted to try something like this, but I don't know where to start." So you don't start with theory, you start with action. You solder a few resistors, you add the LEDs, then you plug in the laser modules and the sound chip. As the board slowly fills up, what looked like chaos starts turning into a pattern, and that pattern is the first hint that sound and light are about to connect. How does it actually work? The lasers shine straight across the frame, forming invisible strings in the air. Underneath them, light sensors keep watch on those beams. When your hand cuts through one beam, the sensor voltage shifts. The chip feels that tiny change and turns it into a note from the speaker. Your movement becomes sound. You might worry you'll get stuck. Most people do, but most mistakes are simple. A cold solder joint, a part in the wrong orientation. The guide shows you what to check, where to reheat, and how to fix it. The first time you interrupt a beam, and the board answers back with a clear, steady tone, you feel your confidence jump, even more than the volume. After that, it stops feeling like just a kit. It becomes a little sound toy. You reach for when you need a break. You dim the room, power it from USB, wave your hands through the beams, and sketch out simple melodies or strange sound textures. And somewhere in those quiet moments, the question changes. Instead of asking, "Am I a technical person?" you start asking a better one. "Okay, what else could I build that reacts to me like this?" You build this kit once, set it on your shelf or your desk, and every time it lights up and sings back to your hand, you remember this wasn't factory-made magic. It was your weekend project, and you made it real.